Mastering advanced vocabulary, collocations in informal writing. Hello and welcome to our English language learning video series. In this episode, we'll be diving into the fascinating world of collocations in informal writing. Collocations are word combinations that are frequently used together, and mastering them is crucial for sounding natural and fluent in English. So, let's get started. In informal writing, such as emails, text messages, and casual conversations, certain word combinations are commonly used. These collocations help convey a more relaxed and conversational tone. Here are some examples. Catch some Z's. This collocation means to get some sleep. For example, I need to catch some Z's before the big presentation tomorrow. Bite the bullet. This phrase is used when someone decides to face a difficult or unpleasant situation. For instance, I finally bit the bullet and told my boss about the mistake I made. Piece of cake. This collocation is used to describe something that is very easy. You might say, "Don't worry about the test. It'll be a piece of cake." Remember, using these collocations appropriately can make your informal writing more engaging and natural. Now that we know what collocations in informal writing are, let's explore how to use them effectively. Here are some tips. 1. Context is key. Pay attention to the context of your writing and choose collocations that fit the tone and style. For instance, using informal collocations in a formal email might not be appropriate. 2. Collocations for emotions. Collocations are often used to express emotions in informal writing. For example, instead of simply saying, "I'm sad," you could say, "I'm feeling down in the dumps today." 3. Idiomatic expressions. Informal writing often involves the use of idiomatic expressions. These are phrases that have a figurative meaning beyond their literal interpretation. Incorporating idiomatic expressions adds flair to your writing. For instance, instead of saying, "It's raining heavily," you could say, "It's raining cats and dogs." 4. Learn from native speakers. To enhance your understanding of collocations in informal writing, listen to native speakers in casual conversations or watch movies and TV shows. This will expose you to a wide range of natural collocations. Remember, practice makes perfect, so keep incorporating these collocations into your writing to become more fluent and natural. Here are some common collocations you're likely to encounter in informal writing. Keep in touch. This phrase is used to encourage someone to maintain communication. For example, "It was great seeing you. Let's keep in touch." Hang out. This collocation means to spend time together casually. You might say, "Do you want to hang out this weekend?" Get the ball rolling. This expression is used to initiate an action or start a project. For instance, "Let's get the ball rolling on the new marketing campaign." Using these collocations will add an informal and conversational touch to your writing. Congratulations! You've now explored the world of collocations in informal writing. By incorporating these word combinations into your vocabulary, you'll be able to express yourself more naturally and effectively in informal contexts. Keep practicing and incorporating these collocations into your writing, and soon you'll be a master of informal English. Stay tuned for more language learning videos, and happy collocating!